I used a sponge and a brush to create this. Watch to see how. Hi everybody, welcome. Thank you so much for joining me. My name is Soraya. Now I had this painting and it's beautiful. I love the drum, I love the colors. But after a while I decided that I needed to give myself a bit of a challenge and see what I can do to transform it. So I took out my sponge, it's just a regular kitchen sponge, nothing fancy, and my brush. And this is what it transformed into. So let me know what you think about it and keep watching to see exactly how I did this. So here is the painting, and even though I'd made up my mind to change it up, there's that bit of hesitation, but what I ended up is using the colors that were already there as a base, and even though I am covering them up right now, you will see that they will glow through that paint that I'm adding now. So it's very interesting and adds a lot of depth. I show you all the colors I've used later on in the video. Usually I have a very clear idea of where I want to go with a painting, but not this time. I just kind of went with the flow. My main objective at this point was just to cover up all those colors. So you can see here that most of the painting has been covered, but you can still see those colors underneath. I used the paint straight out of the tube. I did not add anything to them. So to me, this looked very much like a stormy weather kind of painting. You could still see the horizon there, and so I decided to go with that. I am using a very light touch, bringing out some of the details with white on my sponge. So I decided I needed to create some water, and these are the caps of the waves, just very lightly done, nothing too specific on them. I hadn't used my palette knife in quite a while, so I decided to take it out and see what would happen. I'm adding a lot of layers to create depth. I decided I wanted to have the painting to have a somewhat abstract look to it, and this is what I'm creating here now. This is the the sponge I've been working with. It's just a regular kitchen sponge. At this point, I've taken out my brush to add the details that make a painting so interesting. I sing next. When there's no getting over that rainbow, when my smallest of dreams won't come true, I can take all the madness the world has to give, but I won't last a day without you. So you can see here very clearly the colors that are coming through from the original painting. Check out my description area for lots of important information. If you're new to my channel, please subscribe. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and click on the bell icon to receive all notifications. Be sure to check out these great videos. You won't be disappointed.